what I'm running you through this morning is how to strengthen and lean up your arms and shoulders, because it's been a request from someone on the page. So if you would like to find out how to do it, just follow me, follow these instructions. So we're going to start and then push back into downward facing dog.
Wow.
So in down dog, what you're wanting to do is to try and push back with your hands flat on the floor and push your heels down towards the floor. So take a deep breath in, and then as you breathe out, come over into a plank position. Now for some people this is going to be really hard to do, so if it's really hard for you, if it's really hard on your shoulders, on your wrists, just come down onto your knees. So take a breath here, and then push back into down dog. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, come back into plank. Hold plank for 2 breaths. And then push back into down dog. So what we're doing here is we're utilising the breath, and we're also utilising the biceps, triceps and deltoid muscles. And what you're essentially wanting to do when you're in that down dog is to externally rotate your shoulders. So what that's doing is it's pushing your shoulder blade further down your back, and it's encouraging your shoulders to get away from your ears, because how many of us get through the day and we're walking around like this, all stressed through our necks. We really want to roll those shoulders away, which will encourage a natural curvature of our cervical spine, which is at the top of our neck here, and it will also lengthen through the scalenes, which tend to be really tight in most people. So, hands flat, externally rotating the shoulders, holding in through the core, and making sure that you take the knees as an option if you need to. But doing that each morning about 5 times, 5 breaths, take a couple of breaths in each pose, you will get stronger, leaner arms in no time. Okay everyone, thanks for joining. I'll see you on the next video.